Greetings, Oreck vac fans, especially fans of the XL21 that I got a few weeks ago. So if you're wondering why you hadn't seen any tests with this in particular, it's because I needed to go and get a few parts. So got one of these, got some of those. You saw the handle was actually broken, got a new two-piece handle, and I even got a felt motor washer that goes between pretty much the motor and the fan housing. So let's go and refurbish this machine, the few parts here that I have left to do, and see if we can't get it together and maybe do some tests. Getting ready to put the handle back together. I have mostly everything seated in here, but I just wanted to show you what I did here. So I got a piece of black tape literally right there because the white wire had a burn mark from this diode leg right there. So I don't want that burn mark to get any worse. I certainly don't want to have any burning smell. So I think I have everything aligned, except for that. There we go. Okay, so what I've done is, as you saw earlier, I got the little white felt washer in here, but I also cut another felt washer and I added it to the somewhat squashed one that's right here. So this makes a real nice tight fit that doesn't wobble around a whole lot. So this machine's a little older and I suppose needs all the help it can get. Fantastic. So now we can start doing some tests with this. So I know there's a bunch of people waiting for that. So stay tuned for lots of tests.